Oh, bug. Hi, guys. Yes, so today I craft something.
Yeah, the part 2.
Yes, this I craft something in
Hey,
here.
I did that. Hey, I did the walls. You counted me, daddy.
Okay, so I found this one. It says we need this, this, and also we need doink and tip. And it is the pick. This is
Blonde.
the pickaxe. Guys, I'm here, and today I'm gonna craft something.
Open mo.
Okay.
Open na.
Oh, look, I craft something. This is survival mode. Oh, I just it's not working. Yes, it's not working. Yes, it's not working.
Guys, close the door.
Okay,
Close the door.
let's craft again.
Close the door. Close the
The
door.
second craft is
No, close the door. Ay, pag
this.
ay, mabait sa
And
saan.
also
Close the
this.
door.
I found it. It used to set in this. Look, see? Here you go. And also found this. Look at this, a block. Look, I'm the leader up here. I'm almost go here, but I found. I got now 6. Also, guys, this is not a good deal, but we can eat it. Look, it works. It worked, guys. So, thank you guys for watching. Please watch more craft videos. See you next time, guys. Bye.